Hey guys, so welcome to another video for Load Up Crypto. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use support and resistance in TradingView, and I guess the key areas here is, support and resistance needs to be easily identifiable. If it's not, then it's probably not the the key area. So it needs to be easily kind of identifiable, and there needs to be various touch points in the same region, and generally, for simplicity, support means a level which is low, that is kind of holding for your candle. So you can think of it as a kind of floor, and resistance is where a candle will reach its height and not be able to break that area until, I guess, sometime later. So you can think of that maybe as a kind of ceiling. But anyways, what we've got here is the Solana USDT chart for the daily. So if we start to map out where support and resistance are, so if I just use the horizontal line, so you can see here the first level of well, actually it probably starts up there, but I'm just gonna kind of focus on this area down below here. So you can look here and say, your first kind of resistance level is this area, so the $48, because we haven't broken that level, therefore we've hit resistance and it's kind of come back down from there. And then I guess your next level of resistance or support would be kind of, well, you could say kind of, this level here. So you can see we kind of dropped to that level. We've dropped there in the past as well. So it's been an area where we've kind of had, this was resistance in the past, and again you can see we managed to hit that area, we dropped down, and then we've dropped down further. So we had a candle close in on a day just touching that basically that support level, and then we've broken down further from there. And then going forward, I mean, this chart is a little bit choppy, so I guess going down forward you could probably say another area of support and resistance is around here. So you can see previously that's kind of been treated as resistance, and there as well you can see resistance, and you can see us touching that level there for support, going back up, hitting that level there again for support, and there you can see it drops further, goes back up to that level as resistance. You can see there's various touch points, and it's quite clear to identify that area as a area of support and resistance. So if I just maybe zoom in a little bit more, if we go down the list, so again you could say roughly another area is around there, and then you could keep working your way down. So if we maybe look at the more current prices, so obviously you're going to say, so you use the horizontal line, so you can say obviously there is your resistance level for the more recent area, and then you've got your kind of support level at that margin there. So if we just plug that in, so you can see that we hit that level there, we went up and then basically down again, so that candlestick was opened up there and ended up down here. So we broke that level of support, and previously we can see that was another kind of touchy area for us in the past. So I hope you can kind of get a clear view of support and resistance by looking at this Solana chart, and just how we kind of focus on those areas. Maybe if I just look at the Bitcoin chart as well, so if you just zoom out a little bit, and you can say obviously we can start again up here, use a horizontal line. So I'm just going to mainly focus on the more recent scenario. So there you can say is your level of resistance. So there historically as well, we've hit that area a fair few times, there you can see up and down around that area. Next level is around so let's bring in another line so you can see it's around, where is it, it's about here. So there you can see we hit that level as resistance, went back down, resistance again, down, up again, broke that level, and then it's been, you know, support, up again from there. Here it's been resistance. So yeah, there's quite a lot of touch points for that area there, and currently we are trading all the way down at the bottom here. So if I just put in a little mark there, so you can see this is our support level at the moment, so 19704. So hopefully we don't break that level, but if we do, then we're looking at the kind of lower areas around 17 or so. So yeah, that's kind of how we read support and resistance. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.